Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Easy top fashion collection. I hope so all my viewers are fine. So guys, this collection is related to the top amazing ideas of haircuts above 40, 50 and 60 age of ladies who enjoy the video. So guys, this collection is for you if you are 40, 50 and 60 age is just a number, but your inner personality and your inner satisfaction is total amazing collection. In this collection you see the approximately 50 plus ideas. 50 plus, it's mean 50 haircuts, hairstyling and hair dye. Depend on you, depend on your haircuts, depend on your choose, depend on your need, depend on your desire, depend on your want, depend on your wishes. So guys, I provide you only the ideas. Depend on you how to make and how to change your look. The different ways that you choose, your personality is automatically changed. Take screenshot, go to the salon and take your best haircut that suits on your face. And beautiful ideas, beautiful collection, not the repeated and not the old. All are so amazing and all are so stunning. Which one is best, tell me in comment box. And all are so fantastic, all are so amazing and all are so updated. In this collection you see the approximately amazing designs and 2022 best collection related to the hairstyle, hair dye and hair cutting, bob cut, haircut, long cut, as well as the different pixie cuts. Pixie cuts are most trending 2022. Every woman and every lady want to cut the pixie and the lob cut. So guys, keep watching my channel, stay with me, watch the video, like the video, share the video with your family and friends, press the bell icon, because there are many advantages of when you press the bell icon. The first one is you are updated the fashion and easily achieve and easily approved my YouTube channel, reach my YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. And guys, keep watching, stay with me, enjoy the collection, take care and bye bye. But video is not stop, watch the video till the end. Take care.